1890 in science. The year 1890 in science and technology involved some significant events, listed below. Biology. September 25 Sequoia National Park created in the United States. October 1 Yosemite National Park created in the United States. Walter Heap successfully breeds rabbits from fertilized ova transferred from the biological mother to the uterus of an animal of a different breed. Francis Galton announces a statistical demonstration of the uniqueness and classifiability of individual human fingerprints. Jack Loeb publishes his first major work on tropism, Der Heliotropismus der Thier und seine Übereinstimmung mit dem Heliotropismus der Pflanzen. Henry Luke Bali at the New North Dakota Agricultural College isolates the organism responsible for potato scab and develops an effective treatment. Chemistry. Nikolai Menshikhin discovers that a tertiary amine can be converted into a quaternary ammonium salt by reaction with an alkyl halide, the Menshikhin reaction. Emil Pfister establishes the stereochemistry and isomeric nature of the sugars by epimerization between gluconic and mannonic acids and synthesizes glucose, fructose, and mannose from glycerol. Computer science. June 1 the United States Census Bureau begins using Herman Hollerith's tabulating machine to record census returns using punched card input, a landmark in the history of computing hardware. Hollerith's company eventually becomes IBM. Earth Sciences. The United States city of Boise, Idaho drills the first geothermal well. The phosphate mineral mesylite from Messel in Germany is first described. Mathematics. Philippa Fawcett is placed above the senior wrangler in the mathematical tripos at the University of Cambridge in England. P.J. Hewitt proves the five-color theorem. Giuseppe Pino is the first to demonstrate a space-filling curve. Medicine. Discovery by Emil von Behring and Kitasato Shibasa Bureau that an antitoxin for immunizing people against diphtheria can be prepared by injecting diphtheria toxin into animals. Kurt Schimmelbusch invents the Schimmelbusch mask for the safe delivery of anesthetics to surgical patients. Santiago Ramon y Cajal publishes the first edition of Manual de Anatomia Pathologica General. Robert Koch publishes his postulates on the causal relationship between microbes and diseases. William James publishes the Principles of Psychology. Technology. May Herbert Ackroyd Stewart, in collaboration with Charles Richard Binney and Richard Hornsby and Sons, files a British patent for improvements in engines operated by the explosion of mixtures of combustible vapor or gas and air, the first successful design of hot bulb engine, which will be produced as the heavy oil Hornsby-Ackroyd oil engine. August 6 at Auburn Prison in New York, William Kemmler becomes the first person to be executed in the AC electric chair. October 9 the first brief flight of Clement Ader's steam-powered fixed-wing aircraft EAL takes place in Sattery, France. It flies uncontrolled approximately 50 m 160 ft at a height of 20 cm, the first take-off of a powered airplane solely under its own power. Approximate date British civil engineer Ernest William Moore invents the airlock while working in New York. Scottish-American chemist William Morrison produces the first successful practical electric road vehicle in the United States. The Precut paperboard box is invented by Robert Gare, a Brooklyn printer and packaging producer. The Herter and Driffield film speed measurement system is described. Awards. Copley Medal, Simon Newcomb. Wollaston Medal for Geology, William Crawford Williamson. Births. January 14 Arthur Holmes died 1965, English geologist. January 19 Stefan Procopiu died 1972, Romanian physicist. January 26 Grantley Dick Reed died 1959, English obstetrician. February 17 Ronald Fisher died 1962, English statistician and geneticist. March 11 Vannevar Bush died 1974, American science administrator. March 20 Elizabeth Rona died 1981, Hungarian-born nuclear chemist. March 26, Abner Doble died 1961, American steam engineer. May 4, Carl Brigham died 1943, American pioneer of psychometrics. June 1, Edward Hutchinson Synge died 1957, Irish theoretical physicist. December 20, Jaroslav Hayrovsky died 1967, Czech chemist. December 21, Hermann Joseph Muller died 1967, American geneticist. Deaths: January 27, Carl Friedrich Otto Westphal, born 1833, German psychiatrist. February 3, C.H.D. Buys Ballot, born 1817, Dutch meteorologist. April 1, Alexander Majewski, born 1825, Russian aeronautical pioneer. August 30, Marion North, born 1830, English botanist. December 26, Heinrich Schliemann, born 1822, German archaeologist. References